Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to change screen timeout time on Pixel. Okay, just open your settings from your menu, open it, then open display and touch. Then you can see here option of screen timeout. Then normally there is a list of times you can set which one, but Pixel always asks you a security code to change the screen timeout time. So you can simply enter your allow code, then change your timeout settings time and back it. So that's guys very simple, but I only see and device is asking for changing the screen timeout settings for passcode. That's only Pixel. So that's guys and that's guys. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.